Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. It's your guy DJ Bishop back again with another video. And today, what I'm doing a nice little review on is this product they call. Hold up. They call this product this Cirkul. Is it Cirkul? Cirkul? Whatever it is, but it's the new craze with this water bottle, right? It's a water bottle. It's a water bottle, but you get these flavor cartridges that, I'm sure everybody have heard of this thing. It's kind of like, so let's open it up, matter of fact. So here it is. Let's just look at it like this. So it says, finally, water is your favorite beverage. Includes one 22-ounce plastic bottle, one comfort grip lid, 3 times flavor cartridge, right? So here's the flavor cartridges. Life Sip, Fip Sip, Go Sip. So it's 3 different flavors in here. Fruit punch, mixed berry, and black cherry. Okay. There's the calorie. You can pause this. So it's pretty much got nothing, 0 calorie. So what this is, why did I buy this? So here it is. You fill it up, you fasten it, and it's a little dial thing on there. You could turn the dial up and down to get the flavor. It's 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, and then 1 being the lowest. Okay. All right. And then you can get, out of 1 cartridge, you can get 6 20-ounce bottles of water. So I think these is, what is this, a 20-ounce bottle of water? No, this is a 16-ounce bottle of water. So you can get a 20-ounce, 6 of them, okay? I don't drink water. That's one of my main problems. I don't drink water. Only time I drink water is when I'm thirsty. Like if I'm out running or something like that, or I'm at the gym and I'm working out, that's when I drink water. If I'm at home, I'm drinking apple juice or some type of juice, fruit punch, tea, occasionally soda. I don't drink that much soda. Only time I really drink soda is when I go out to eat. But I know most of the time I drink tea. I drink some type of peach tea or strawberry lemonade or something like that. So that's kind of what I drink, a lot of juice when I'm at home. So this is supposed to help you drink it. Now, here's why I'm reviewing it, because we have many of these. We got those Milo, those little Milo things where you squeeze it and you pour the little syrup or whatever in the water. And then you got all those different flavor packets that you can buy from the grocery store. Hawaiian Punch make them. It's like every brand make those little flavor pouches. You rip it open, pour it in your water, shake it up, and then you can get the flavor water. But only problem with those is that it has that artificial weird taste. So you could drink one of those, but after that, you don't probably want to drink no more because it has that weird sweet, artificial, chemical-y taste. All of them have that. There's very few that don't. So that's why I'm reviewing this, because I'm coming from my point of view, if this thing tastes like chemicals. Now, I watched the YouTube videos, a bunch of YouTube videos, and everybody on YouTube swear by it, but I'm almost sure they got these things for free. I paid for this. I bought it through Amazon. Amazon has a deal where you can get this and you get 3 flavor packets, right? This is how it comes, just like this. I'm showing you. This came from Amazon. I think it was $16. Okay, and these things are $3. They said Walmart has these for $3.75. Now I watched this one guy video. I forgot his name. I wouldn't give him a shout out, but I watched this whole video. He went through like every flavor packet that they own. So I took notes. Now, his taste buds going to be different than mine, but he kind of was breaking it down why they were good and why they wasn't. So that's kind of why I wrote down the ones that was good. So he said pretty much go with the Go Sips are all good and the Life Sips are good. The Fit Sips, he said it kind of varies, but the Go Sips and the Life Sips, he said you can't go wrong on those. Pretty much all the flavors are good. So we'll see. So I'm going to try the Fruit Punch today and see what that tastes like and see if it has that chemical-y taste that I don't like. Because if it does taste like that, I'm not going to like it. So I'll probably drink it one time and then I'm going to be done with it. So let's get it out. I got to go wash the bottle. So I'm going to pause it. I'm going to go wash the bottle. And then I'm going to set my camera over there so you can watch me drink it. So let me go. Hold up. Where's the top at? There's no top. Oh, the top, the top. I was like, where's the lid? But the lid is these things right here. These deals you put in there. So you put these little things in there, and they have the little dials on it. This got to be expensive though. For $3.75, how much does this thing cost to make? You know, you got this. Let me see what it looks like. Hold on, I'm gonna pull it out. So you got this plastic cartridge. I mean, this gotta cost more than $3 to make. So I'm guessing at some point the price is gonna go up on these things. So here's the little dial right here. Here it is right here. So it smells like nothing. I don't smell anything. And this is what it looks like. And they got that label on. So from what I'm understanding right now is the people that do on YouTube, they don't have labels on theirs. So there's no label. So I'm thinking they got them to test them out and, you know, and got them for free. Cause they're like, oh, I don't know. You know, and as a matter of fact, they don't even pull them out of the box. They don't be in the box. They be in like a plastic, pouch kind of thing. And they open it up and they don't have no label. So once they lay it down, they don't even know what flavor it is. So let me pause it and then I'm going to go wash this bottle out. And I'm going to try this thing and see what it tastes like. And let y'all know from my point of view, does this thing taste like chemicals or does it really taste like fruit punch? So we'll see. Hold on. Okay, we back. So I'm going to tilt my phone right here because I got to tilt it so y'all can see me. Hopefully y'all can see me and I'm not like out of frame. Oh, I can see myself. I'm doing it on my cell phone, which I should be doing it on my my DJI Osmo 3. That's what I should be doing this on. But I like doing this stuff on my phone. So I put like this cookie jar right here and I can see my reflection in the cookie jar. Cool. So I'm going to use this water, nice cold, you know, regular mineral water or whatever. And I'm going to fill it up with this. Because I want the water to be cold. I'm not going to drink warm water. So that's a no-go right off top. So will this make me drink water? That's the question. Because I don't like drinking water. Because water don't taste good to me. Only time like I said, I drink water is when I'm outside running around and, you know, I'm you know, want some water. So so a lot of people was talking about this lid. They was talking about, so how you get the lid off, you press this little button. I mean, it's not a button, but you press the back of this thing here like that, and it pops it up, and then you can, people's like, whoa, this is in the way. So there's a little, see that little groove back there? There's a little groove thing back there. You can put your lid, you put that in there like that, and it'll hold it in place. I learned that from somebody off YouTube, one of these YouTubers. All right, so let's just dial it up. I'm dialing it up to number 4. Everybody likes 4 or 5. So I'm going to start at 4. 9 and 10 is too much. Everybody say 9 and 10 is too much. They like, oh my God, I'm going to shake it up a little bit too. They all say 9 and 10 is too strong. It tastes like 100% chemicals. So I'm going to do like 4. Let's see what 4 tastes like. Wait. I ain't gonna even say that's good yet. Hold on. I'm taking down to 3. They say you gotta do like a couple sips out of it to make it go right. Let me try. Let me see. Hold on. I kind of like 3. 4, I think 4 is too much. 3 gives you like a really small hint of fruit punch. I could taste a little dab of fruit punch. 4, hold on. You could taste 4. Fruit punch, I don't think fruit punch would be the best flavor. It's okay, but does it have a chemical taste? That's a great question. I taste the chemical. I could taste the chemical, but it's not, I don't have a bad aftertaste. If that makes sense. There's not a bad aftertaste to it. Let's keep this in the frame too. It's not a bad aftertaste to it. It's just kind of like, let's put it over here actually. It's I mean, I don't know why I'm doing that because I'm not getting no money out of this. They don't sponsor me, and I'm not getting nothing free from them. But I just put it there. Let's go up one more. So I'm on 5. Let's take it to 5. Let's see. So once you go 5, it started to get sour. It has a sour. I don't even want to go 9, but I'm gonna go 6. Look, I'm almost done with this already. That's crazy. Yeah, I would drink this all up. Hold up. Oh, yeah, it's too strong. It's not fruit punch. It tastes like lemonade now. Once you go too high, it tastes like lemonade. It's too. I really like the 3 because you really only get a hint of the flavor, just a slight hint to make it don't taste like plain water. Hold on, I'm back down to 3. For me, I think I would go with the 3. Oh, I still got that taste in my mouth. It's so strong. Would I like this? The thing is, I'm going to have to try a lot of the flavors to see which ones are smooth. Because you get some of them that's really strong and some of them are really smooth, I would think. So I would have to get a bunch of these to figure out which ones I like. And I'm not about to open these and test them out. Because I think once I get it wet, then it's probably going to mess up. So, I'm not about to try them all out because, I didn't get these for free. Like the YouTubers, these other YouTubers. If I got it for free, I would just run through them all. But since I didn't get this for free, I'm not about to, hold on. Oh, I was just making sure I was recording. Yeah, since I didn't get this for free, I'm not about to use these until I'm ready to actually use them. So 0 calories, 0 sugar. So like I said, I like 3. 3 is good. It gives me just that little bit of hint. Now, it might change later because once this cartridge start getting in use, it probably breaks it down a little bit more. So I don't know. So what am I on now? 3. I wish they'd have made this dial. You can't even really see the letter. I wish they would have made them numbers black so you kind of see it. Let's see. Back to 4 again. I'm almost done with this water. That's crazy. That's 16 ounces of water right now. You'll drink more water just playing around with this, trying to figure out the flavors you like. Between 3 and 4, let's go. What about I go in between, like right in the middle? And half and half. Let's see. I'm going to go half and half. The half and half is more like 3. I think I'm going to stick with 3. 4 is a little too tangy. When you go with 4, it gets a little tangy. So, this is a nice little Frio. Will it make you drink water? Yes. Because for one thing, you're going to drink water, especially if it's cold. You got to have the cold water. You can't use, I doubt if I would want to drink this warm. But if you got cold water, whether it's coming from, your fridge door, because a lot of people got fridge that got the water come out the door. So you got cold water come out of there. If you're at the gym, you got the fountain water, you put it in here and then you drink it. But yeah, I think you would drink more because for one, you're going to be drinking a lot of water because you got to figure out what flavors you like. So that's going to get you to drink the water because until you figure out which one of these cartridges is good, because this fruit punch it's okay. I think it's not bad. It's not nasty, but it's a little tart. It tastes more like a lemonade. This is just fruit punch. It definitely tastes like it's lemonade because once you go past 4, it's like get that sour taste to it. Yeah, that's sour. But yeah, I'm gonna drink this whole thing. Yeah, I think 3 is really good. You just get that slight. You get a slight fruit punch flavor, so it don't taste like water. It's like a flavored water, but a light flavored water. And you dial it up to 40, and you're gonna get that tartness from the fruit punch. So, do I like this? Yeah, I like it. It's a novelty thing. I probably would use it. Drink more water. If I drink any water, it'd be probably out of this. So I would, like I said, I'm gonna go to Walmart and try to find more of these cartridges because I got a whole list of them that's supposed to be good, and I'm gonna buy them. They had one that was like pineapple coconut, and they was like, that was really good. And then they have some orange ones. Yeah, I'm gonna go get all of them. Amazon don't really have them. They sell more of the box, the packs, and a lot of those in that pack is not good. So I need to get them separately like this, so I can pick and choose which ones I want. But yeah, I like it. What would I rate this thing? I would give it 5 fingers, which is, top of the top review, 5, give it a 5 out of, hold on, my camera messed up. Give it a 5 out of, 1. Yeah, I like it. I mean, it's definitely a gimmicky thing to get you to drink water. Because like I said, you'll drink more water because you're going to be trying to figure out which one of these is the best flavor. So you're going to be buying a bunch of these, and then you're going to be going back and forth trying to figure out what you like, which means you drink the whole water. Look, I drink 16 ounces of water. I already drank it up just like that, talking to y'all. All gone. There you go. So that's 1. So I got 5 more of those I can drink before that flavor thing is out. And then I got to put another one in there. So that's 5 days. Well, I could probably drink 2 of these in 1 day at the gym. So 3 days at the gym, I'm out. And then I got to put another cartridge in there. So I don't know. We'll see. I'll come back with a review. I'll play around with this thing for about 2-3 weeks, a month. And then I'm going to come back with a follow-up video and let y'all know if it even makes sense, to have this or just drink regular water. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. So on that note, I'm going to turn it out. I'm just going to do this, take a picture of it, and then we'll go from there. But thank y'all for watching my video. DJ Bishop, and we out.